Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will make wooden beads curtain, like this curtain behind me. See? So guys, here's my materials. I have here a nylon thread, assorted wooden beads, a pendant, a scissor, and a huge needle. So guys, let's get started. Just now I took one strand of this nylon thread. So I have here already, and I already started this one, but I haven't put yet the pendant. So guys, you can see how I put it, like this one. I'm gonna make a knot here. Here it is, guys. Here it is. So I make it alternate beads on it. So I'll be finishing this one first. This is fun to do. Okay. And more. Okay, I will check. I'll measure it. Okay guys, it's already done. One more beads, this white one. Okay. See, I'm going to lock it here already. Like this. This needle, insert inside the knot and hold like this. And I pull it towards me. Okay, it's already done. Okay, this. Okay guys, if you like my video, I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching, and may God bless you all. Thank you and bye. So here's my finished product, like this. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.